Have you ever heard someone online say, just drink baking soda water and your body will change? At first, I thought it sounded ridiculous. I mean, baking soda? The same thing we use for baking cakes and cleaning sinks? But then I kept seeing people talk about it everywhere. Some claimed it helped their digestion, others said it boosted their energy, and a few even called it a hidden health miracle. So I decided to do something most people only talk about. I tested it. For 60 days, I drank baking soda water, and what happened was honestly surprising. But stay with me until the end, because there are important dangers and truths nobody mentions when they talk about this trend. Baking soda is also known as sodium bicarbonate. It's a natural compound that can help balance acidity in the body. Your body is constantly working to maintain a healthy pH level, and baking soda is alkaline, meaning it can neutralize excess acid. So I started with the smallest possible amount, about a quarter teaspoon mixed into a full glass of water once a day, not more, because too much can actually be harmful. In the first week, the first change I noticed wasn't dramatic, but it was real. After meals, my stomach felt calmer. Baking soda has been used for years as a quick remedy for heartburn, acid reflux, indigestion, and bloating. It works by neutralizing stomach acid, and by the end of that first week, I felt lighter after eating. Not a miracle, but noticeable. By the second and third week, I started noticing something else. My energy levels felt more consistent. And here's something interesting. Athletes have actually used baking soda for decades because it may help reduce muscle fatigue. When you exercise, your muscles build up lactic acid, which causes that burning, tired feeling. Baking soda can act as a buffer. During those weeks, I felt less exhausted, had better stamina, and recovered faster after workouts. It didn't turn me into a superhero, but it was enough for me to pay attention. Around week 4, one of the most unexpected effects showed up. Some research suggests sodium bicarbonate may support the body's anti-inflammatory response. And by that point, I noticed less stiffness in my body, less discomfort after long days, and a general feeling of being less inflamed overall. Some people believe it may calm the immune system when it's overactive, but results can vary from person to person. By weeks 5 and 6, I started learning more about the connection between baking soda and pH balance. In medical settings, baking soda is sometimes prescribed for people with kidney-related acidity problems because it can help reduce excess acid in the blood. Some believe it supports kidney function, metabolic balance, and reduced acid load. Personally, I felt more balanced overall, but this is not something anyone should self-treat without professional advice. Baking soda is powerful, not harmless. Then, in the final weeks, another benefit became clear. Baking soda also affects oral health. It reduces acidity in the mouth, which can help with bad breath, gum health, and cleaner teeth. That's one reason it's found in so many toothpastes. By day 60, I noticed my mouth felt fresher, even in the mornings. Now, here's the untold truth that nobody warns you about. Drinking baking soda daily is not safe for everyone. Too much sodium bicarbonate can cause high blood pressure, electrolyte imbalance, nausea, vomiting, kidney strain, and in rare cases, serious complications. You should avoid it completely if you have heart disease, kidney problems, high blood pressure, or if you're on a low-sodium diet. And you should never exceed half a teaspoon per day. Also, don't take it right after a heavy meal because it can create excess gas. And most importantly, always talk to a doctor before doing long-term use. So, after drinking baking soda water for 60 days, here's what I personally experienced. Better digestion, less bloating, improved daily energy, reduced workout fatigue, fresher oral health, and possibly a reduction in inflammation. But it's not a magic detox. It's not a cure-all. It's simply a compound that may offer benefits when used carefully and responsibly. So the real question is, would you ever try baking soda water for 60 days? Comment yes or no below. And if you want more health experiments, natural remedy breakdowns, and untold truth videos, subscribe to the channel. Because now that you know, you'll never look at baking soda the same way again. Please subscribe to our channel. Your support in this regard will encourage us to post more quality videos to support your health and your overall well-being.